Hi everybody, it's Regina from The Balanced Bite. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 6, I believe. Yeah, it's starting to go fast now. I had a grocery haul and I pre-planned some of my meals for this week. I was able to get my breakfast sandwiches done today, and these are it. These are on whole grain English muffins, and these are super delicious, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. So let's go ahead and get started with our recipe. Okay, so you're going to need the following. You're going to need 6 pieces of turkey bacon. Then you're going to need a half a cup of mild cheddar cheese. I use the full fat one because I think that's just fine. Then some deli ham, 6 slices, English muffins, and 6 eggs. Go ahead and get your bowl and crack 6 eggs into it. Next, take a serrated knife and cut your English muffins in half. Okay, so next you're going to take your English muffins and put them in a toaster oven. If you don't have a toaster oven that, like accommodates all these pieces like I have, or you don't have a toaster oven, you can put it in your actual oven on the broil setting and like for a couple minutes, and it will toast your bread up really nice. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a saute pan and get that boiling. Then take your eggs and put them, I put the setting on medium heat, and the secret to this is to always stir your eggs. Don't, let it sit for very long until they start to get these like white curds. That's a secret to really good eggs. And there's a controversy, should you put salt in your eggs and pepper? I do. I've done it both ways, and I really haven't noticed a difference. They always kind of turn out the same for me. Sometimes I put milk in here, and that does help a little bit. What do you guys do for your eggs? I'd like to know in the comments. Okay, so now we're going to fry up our turkey bacon. I fried up 3 pieces at a time because I just had a small pan. Then we're going to go ahead and assemble our breakfast sandwiches. So put the ham on first. Next, your bacon slices. I just fold mine in half and put that right on the ham. Then you're going to want to add your scrambled eggs on top of that. And then add your cheese. Then take your muffins and put them into the oven. I put this at about 400 so I could just melt the cheese a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead and wrap them up. Place your egg McMuffin, not your egg McMuffin, sorry, your breakfast sandwich. I call it an egg, it reminds me of that, but it's a breakfast sandwich. And wrap it up. Try to get it as tight as you can so that none of the air gets inside of the breakfast sandwich. You want to keep it nice and moist so it doesn't dry out. And there you go. Okay, so you can just take a freezer bag and pop these in there. And I keep mine in the refrigerator because I eat them, quickly. But if you want to freeze them, you can do that. You can freeze them for up to 2 months. So if you decide you want to freeze them and then you want to take them out and then eat them that day, you could either take them out in the morning and let them defrost in the refrigerator for a little while, or you can put them in the microwave on the defrost setting for about, I don't know, 30 seconds up to a minute. Just kind of test it. And then once it's defrosted, you can go ahead and microwave it for 30 seconds to a minute and take it out, and it should be nice and gooey and yummy and ready to eat. So if you want to reheat them the next morning, I'm going to give you the instructions now. Okay, so once you take them out of the refrigerator, you're going to unwrap them and you're going to put it on a paper plate, on a plate, and you do that so that the bun doesn't get soggy. So these have been defrosted. I'm just going to simply put it in the microwave for a minute and I'll be back. Okay, now you can go ahead and cut these in half. And I just want to show you guys real quick what they look like, a cross section. It's ham and eggs and all the goodness you can imagine. They're so good, and I promise you're going to love these. Okay, let's go ahead and take a bite. The combination of the egg, the bacon, so good. The turkey bacon, I'm not typically a fan on its own, but in this combination, it's really good. You got to give this a try. It's so good. Like I said, it's only 313 calories. It's got 22 grams of protein and 26 grams of carbs. And it's just a great little sandwich. You can take it on the go. It's ready for you. It's better than takeout, and you're going to love it. So give it a try. And thank you for subscribing to The Balance Bite for all my new subscribers. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I have a lot of good content. I'm on a weight loss journey, and I have a lot of great recipes to share with you. So thanks again for joining me. Happy Vlogmas, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.